as someone without experience as a social media manager, let me tell you what I did here in Upwork to get my first client with $18 per hour. Because I know getting our first client is really difficult. Some of the people took 1 year to get their first client, but me, on my journey, I only spent 2 weeks in finding clients up until I landed my first client here in Upwork with $18 per hour. So without further ado, let's go. I just created my account in Upwork without any knowledge on how to really create an account. I didn't do some research on how to properly create an account, how to put bio, how to put portfolio. Even portfolio, I don't know what it is. Even cover letter, I don't know what it is. I just created an account in an instant and voila. I applied in every job without me knowing, am I doing it right or am I doing it wrong? So to give you context, I don't have knowledge about portfolio, cover letter, I don't know about Upwork, I don't know how to put in bio, like everything in Upwork, I don't know everything. It's just that Upwork is a freelancing website that is easy to learn because there's a lot of instructions there and tips that they will give you how to do specific things. That's why I want you to explore and read those instructions for you to learn. But if you are someone who loves to do some research and loves to learn in online, so feel free to do some research. But if you are someone like me who wants to start right away without knowing everything, so this video is for you. I just started everything, figuring things out on my own. And I love that. Like, okay, am I doing it wrong? So I will figure it out. What's wrong? It's just that it's really my advantage to have my own business and show it on my portfolio. Because when I started and I created my account in Upwork, I created my portfolio using my business account, which is this one. I am the one who's handling it. I just screenshot the content that I edited, the analytic, the engagement, like everything, and put it to my portfolio, edited in Canva, and put it to my portfolio here in Upwork. Then I start applying. But to tell you honestly, that's not the right thing to do. And here's some 10 tips that I can give you why I landed that first client and what I did on my Upwork to land that first client and to close a deal with $18 per hour even without experience. Tip number 1, apply as many applications as you can. Stop carrying those number of applications. Stop carrying those rejections. Stop carrying those number of applications and still you haven't landed your first client. Girl, just apply, okay? Mag-apply ka hanggang kaya mo. Mag-apply ka hanggang ma-receive mo yung first client mo na yan. Just apply. Of course, we are using Upwork. So, invest in Connects. You can't apply without Connects. Back then, instead of investing to those courses, I invest on Connects. I didn't even spend any peso on that training or courses. I spent all of my money in Connects to apply. It's literally worth it to invest in Connects. I spent $30, which is around 1,000 or 2,000 here in Philippines with 200 Connects and apply it to those jobs. But the problem right now is it's so expensive to apply because you can apply in one job using 17 connects. Because back then, I only used 2 connects to apply in a job. That's why I am able to apply as many as I can with 200 connects only. But still, I want you to invest in connects because it's literally worth it because once you landed your first client in Upwork, because return on investment is in there. Because you have that one client that will pay you dollars monthly. Third tip is apply to those jobs under most recent job. And of course, to those jobs that is 90 to 100% that you can do and provide the best service to them. Don't apply to any jobs that you can't do. Apply to those jobs that you are 100 or 90 to 100% that you are able to deliver the best quality service that you can do for them. Why recent job? It is because you don't have much competitor who's applying on the same job application. Imagine if that specific job is just posted 10 seconds ago and that client who posted the job post is online and you apply right away, your cover letter is being read or being viewed by that specific client or potential client right away as well. So you don't have to bid connects just to put your cover letter on top of the list for that client to view it. If you're the one who's applying first, automatically that specific client will read your cover letter. And what if your cover letter is engaging enough for them to reply and you close a deal with that client? That's why always apply to those most recent jobs in Upwork. And fourth tip is very important, apply to those times that your potential client is active and your competitors is not. So what I mean by that, so since we are targeting international client and most of them is EST time zone, let's say 1 p.m. here on the Philippines, 1 a.m. in your potential client's time zone. So whenever that potential client is active, let's say 6 p.m. EST time and 6 a.m. here in the Philippines. So I would suggest apply to those times. That is, most of your competitors are not active and are not applying, then you can apply or take advantage of that. And fifth tip is fast response. Before, when I landed my first client, even though it is 4 a.m. and I just woke up, one of my eye is just closed and one of my eye is open, I am replying to that client. Even I am so groggy because I just woke up. Just imagine if that client replied to your application, take advantage of it and reply as fast as you can. Because if you don't reply like 1 hour ago, there's possibility that a specific client who replied to your application might reply to other people because they haven't received your response yet. That's why I want you to respond as fast as you can if that potential client replied to your cover letter. Kahit tulog ka, kahit mumukat-mukat ka pa, kahit may muta ka pa, mag-reply ka because that's your advantage. And next step, don't be scared to apply even your profile is not optimized and your cover letter is not unique enough. Yes, because that's what I did before. Applied even though I am not sure what I'm doing. Because you can learn from your own mistakes. That, oh, maybe this client is not replying to my cover letter because my profile is not good enough for them. And maybe this client is not viewing my cover letter because my cover letter is not unique enough for them to view. So you have to analyze what you're doing. If that client or potential client that you have applied for is not replying or viewing your cover letter, you might be thinking or considering to think, why I am not receiving any reply for this client? So that means you have to improve what you're doing right now. If you are just copying your cover letter and applying to those different jobs using the same cover letter, girl, you're doing everything wrong. You're just wasting your connects. That's why I want you to learn from your own mistake and just start and then analyze what could be the mistake that I am doing right now and improve it. Don't just copy your cover letter and don't just put any bio to your profile. Here's my Upwork profile, here's my bio, and here's one of my cover letter that I used to get a client. So feel free to screenshot it for your reference and land your first client right away. Next step is add your portfolio directly on Upwork. Don't link your Canva link portfolio to your Upwork and make that client click the link because that's not advisable and that's not recommended. I want you to edit your portfolio. So for example, I have this analytics. I will edit in Canva to make it look good and upload directly to Upwork. Here's one of my portfolio in Upwork that will just make potential client scroll and don't just click the link and make it load so that they can see my portfolio. We have to make it easy to access for them para hindi sila tamad din tingnan yung portfolio natin. That's why have your portfolio ready and upload it directly to Canva and explain what's happening to that specific analytics or case study. Because I know most of you are linking your portfolio to your Upwork portfolio and make them click the link. No, that's wrong. Next is take advantage of those clients who replied to you. Do the follow-ups. If they are not replying, follow up again. So, kulitin mo sila. Because that's what I did to my first client. So, here's some conversation of us and how I close a deal with client even though that client or my first client is talking with someone who's experienced enough than me. Here's our conversation, and I actually just created video of it on how I landed my first client with $18 per hour. Feel free to watch this video because I storytell my journey on how I landed my first client, what I did, and what cover letter I use. I showed it here. Second to the last tip is make your profile as professional, clear, and make it trustable. If your profile is just a selfie, no, change it. Make it professional, clear or white background for them to trust you and have a clear look of your face. Though face is not important, but of course, being professional and clear with everything is important. Last tip is very important para ma-view ng potential client yung cover letter mo is make it personalized and have a one-liner hook to make them view your cover letter. What's the example of the hook? This, and this. Those are from my cover letters that I have sent to those potential clients in Upwork that are my clients right now. So feel free to screenshot this one-liner hook and try it to your cover letter. And those are the things that I did before to land my first client with $18 per hour even without experience. Because I am so desperate to get my first client. That's why I did everything that I could and put my 101% to land that first client. And I am sharing this for you because those are the things that works for me, and I am not saying that will work for you as well. And there's no cost in trying these tips. So, wala namang mawawala kung itatry mo. That's why, try those 10 tips and let me know how was it. And if you have any question about Upwork or social media management, let me know in the comments below and I will see you on my next video.